Welcome to today's discussion on the latest financial news and global developments. I'm Sonia.
And I'm Simon. Let's dive into our first story.
IDFC First Bank has reported a standalone net profit of 1,074.96 crore rupees for the quarter ended June 30, 2026. This is a significant increase from the previous year's corresponding quarter.
That's a substantial jump. What was the year-on-year increase?
The net profit rose by 132.4% compared to 463 crore in Q1 FY26. The total standalone income for the quarter reached 13,360.52 crore.
Such a large increase suggests there were some significant factors at play. Was this driven by specific business areas?
Yes, the bank's total customer business grew to 604,776 crore as of June 30, 2026, from 510,031 crore a year ago, marking an 18.6% increase. The improved asset quality and strong interest income also contributed to this growth.
That's impressive. How does this performance compare to expectations?
The articles indicate that this was the bank's highest ever quarterly profit after tax, suggesting it exceeded previous expectations. The strong interest income and improved asset quality were key drivers.
Moving on to our next story, India's exports to the UK are expected to reach $115 billion by 2030 due to the new free trade agreement, according to ASSOCHAM.
That's a significant projection. What are the key details about this trade agreement?
The agreement came into force on July 15th this year and is expected to unlock new opportunities for Indian exports. ASSOCHAM reports that this could also create 7 to 10 lakh new employment opportunities.
So the trade agreement is not just about increasing exports, but also has broader economic implications. How does this compare to current export levels?
The current bilateral trade is around $58 billion in 25-26. The projection to $115 billion by 2030 represents a substantial doubling of trade.
That's a significant growth trajectory. Are there specific sectors that are expected to benefit the most?
The articles mention that the agreement opens the UK market to 99% of Indian exports, which suggests a wide range of sectors will benefit.
Shifting gears, Kuwait has secured a record $16 billion energy infrastructure deal known as Project Peregrine.
That's a massive investment. What are the details of this deal?
The deal involves a lease and lease-back agreement covering Kuwait's crude oil pipeline network with Blackstone, KKR, and Brookfield. It's described as the largest foreign direct investment in Kuwait's history.
Such a large investment indicates significant confidence in Kuwait's energy infrastructure. What are the implications for Kuwait's economy?
The investment is expected to have a positive impact on Kuwait's economy by enhancing its energy infrastructure and potentially attracting more foreign investment.
Let's move on to a story about technological infrastructure. Naver, Brookfield, and NVIDIA have announced an expansion of Korea's sovereign AI factory infrastructure.
That's an interesting development. What are the key aspects of this expansion? The partnership plans to invest in gigawatt-scale, multi-tenant AI cloud infrastructure. The initial NVIDIA DSX AI factory deployment is being increased from 55 megawatts to 200 megawatts.
So this is a significant scaling of AI infrastructure. What are the potential benefits of this expansion?
The enhanced infrastructure is expected to power the next generation of AI companies in Korea and the US, indicating a broader impact on the global AI landscape.
Finally, let's look at Au Small Finance Bank's quarterly results. The bank reported a standalone net profit after tax of 79.59 crore rupees for Q1 FY27.
That's a notable increase. How does this compare to the previous quarter and the year-ago quarter?
The net profit was down from 83.19 crore in the preceding quarter, but up from 58.09 crore in Q1 FY26, showing a 37% year-on-year increase.
What were the drivers behind this performance?
The bank saw robust loan growth and improved asset quality. Gross NPA dropped to 2.1%, and net interest income grew 32% to 2,695 crore.
That's a positive trend. Are there any other significant developments at the bank?
The bank also announced the elevation of Yogesh Jain to deputy chief executive, indicating some internal restructuring.
Well, that's all for today's discussion. Thank you, Simon.
Thank you, Simon.